Just finished some shopping at Walmart. I got this coffee maker. When I found it on the shelf, it said it was $99, and I got it for $79. When I get home and get it set up, I'll show you. Tony seems to be happy with the purchase.
Oh yeah.
Did I do good?
She did.
All right. Can you see me? Okay, we will be back home shortly. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Okay, me and Tony got home from Walmart, and we got the water in this coffee maker, and it's humming, but we don't see anything. This is something new. I never had one of these before. I always had the cheapy regular 12 cups. So I don't know. Let me see. I don't smell any coffee. Well, do you see any coffee, Tony? Brewing? We got the power on, and we got 12 cups selected. I was so excited when I bought this. I didn't order any little pods. And so I have pods will be here tomorrow. Is this green light supposed to flash? Yes. Huh. 45 years old, I can't make coffee. Well, I wanted to stand here and let the timer go up on the video. So when us idiots have figured out how to make coffee, we'll get back with you. Bye-bye. So yeah, me and Tony finally figured out how to work this maker. So we know a lot of people probably have these and they're experienced, but us, we're just like, we're new with this, so we wanted to post some videos about it. But as for the cappuccino, we got the caramel, and we got the vanilla latte, and this is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I can have my cereal, eat my cereal, and drink it too. So that's pretty much it.